Say hello to the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Although this was gifted to me by the brand, all opinions are definitely mine. One thing I always check is the nothing to hide ingredient list right on the packaging so I can easily see exactly what's in the formula. So the directions actually give you two different ways to apply this. You can put some on a cotton pad and sweep it over freshly washed skin like this. I find this to be the easiest and cleanest way to apply the toner, but you can also just do it like this and just dispense a few drops right into your palm and pat or rub it right into your face like that. Some of the main ingredients are niacinamide, arbutin, and licorice root. And right here on the label, the brand states these are included to help brighten skin and improve the look of large pores. And as you can see up close, it does absorb in really nicely, and my skin doesn't feel sticky or like I have a heavy layer of product. So that's the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. It's alcohol free and gentle enough for daily use.